Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you different ways to create UI components in Neuform.ai, plus a bonus method at the end. Neuform lets you remix templates and components to quickly generate new UI variants. Let's get started. Head over to Neuform.ai. You can start by browsing the community page for inspiration and seeing what others are generating. Curated designs are featured, which makes it easier to find strong examples to remix. If we click on a design, you can see the whole design system behind it, like the typography, colors, spacing, motion, and all of that. You can also download the design.md file. It's basically the design DNA of the project, so you can understand the system behind the design. The first method is to remix a design. I already saved the ones I want to remix in my favorites. These have beautiful background animations with WebGL, nice typography, and good layout. Click on the remix button. From the prompt menu, you can use the default prompt. When you remix, it's important to say change text, names, and numbers, so the generated content won't be an exact copy. There are many options we can add to the prompt. We're going to go through them one by one later. Let's start with the skills for the remix. The most popular ones are at the top: border gradients, mass reveal, aura asset images, and frame grid layout. There are also GSAP motion, skeuomorphic UI, and WebGL laser. For all the generations, I'm going to use border gradients and mass reveal. Mass reveal gives a nice reveal animation on the text. Repeat and remix for the other cards. For this one, I'm going to specify to change the color. All right, the generations are starting to unfold. What's cool is that you can see your generated component while the others are still generating. I like this one. The ring animation background is pretty cool. It moves when the mouse hovers on it. If you scroll down a little bit on the right, you can see the original prompt. It's nice because most of the time you don't remember the exact prompt. I can start iterating from there if I want to. Let's check the next one. The design is a bit standard and the background is not prominent enough. This one is my least favorite of all four. Next. This one is alright. It's a little bare. It's missing some colors. There's a background animation with snowflakes, but in square form. Now, this one is done too. Let's see. This is nice. I love it. It's modern and futuristic. There's a subtle background animation, kind of like a sunset, but nothing like a fluorescent or laser animation. It has a vertical nav bar on the left and another menu on the right. The second method is to create from scratch. I'm going to change the prompt to create a premium SAS hero section only. Animate key elements. Use an ambient WebGL style background animation. I'm going to change the model to GPT 5.5 since I'm starting without a reference. It should give better results. The 2x means it will use two prompts instead of one. You can add skills. I'm going to keep border gradients and mass reveal. Create. For the next one, I'm going to add a scope. A scope is an output format like an Instagram slide, a specific section, a type of component, or something animation related. Let me try it with Three.js. I'm just going to mention Three.js in the prompt to match the scope for the animation. Create. Now I'm going to remove Three.js for the next generation and reset the output format. Let me try aura asset images first. Create. Then unselect Aura Asset Images and choose Frame Grid Layout instead. Create. For the next one, I want an animated laser background with WebGL. There are a lot to choose from, like laser grid, particles, rings, and so on. Let's go with Dither Laser Dark Mode. Now I'm gonna remove the filter to make sure I've got the right skills on. Right, the frame grid layout is still on, so let me uncheck that. That looks good. Create. They're all generating now. Let's wait a bit. I'm seeing some results. Let's open this one. Not bad. The menu is nice, same with the layout. The color palette is beautiful, especially on the dashboard. Okay, next one. I like the particles, but the animated lines are hidden a little bit. I'm not too fan of the dashboard here. Let's check the other ones. All right, they're all done. Let's see the white one. This is too bland. This is the frame grid layout skill I picked. It's quite trendy now. Let's see this one. This is a nice hero for a SaaS landing page. I like the light color system on the buttons, menu, and copy. In the background, the lighting is floating around. This is the one with the Aura Asset Images skill. Next. This is from the Dither Laser Dark Mode skill. The green output is not my favorite. By mistake, I must have clicked twice on create, so it created two laser versions. I prefer this version though. Better laser background, better color palette. Actually, what I wanted to do originally with the Aura Asset image was to have it as a background image. So I'm gonna generate another one and add the skill Image First Grid Layout. Create. Generation complete. Let's see. That's it. The image takes the whole background. Oh. Hovering over the card gives a parallax effect. Nice. So we went through how to generate with skills and output formats. Another way is to use an image as a reference. I'm going to go to ChatGPT to generate an image. So chances are it's going to be unique. Generate a creative, unique, and futuristic UI component design unlike anything seen before. I'm going to use thinking as the model. All right, it's done. I'm going to download it. Go back to Neuform. Then attach it to the prompt. Upload. I have to change the first part of the prompt to create the UI as closely as possible to the image reference. I'm gonna open the skills menu and remove the ones that I don't need anymore. For this prompt, I'm gonna go with Gemini 3.1 Pro, create. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, I really like it. Isn't it cool? It's even animated. There's a lot of spacing between the text and the tag, but that's easy to fix in HTML. Go to code mode. I already asked ChatGPT to fix it and give me the code block to replace. Paste it here. Let me close the right panel to preview it better. It looks good now. The spacing is fixed. Don't forget to save your changes when you're done. All right, let's go back home. Last but not least, this is the bonus method that I haven't really seen in other tools, this icon here. It's about blending the styles of different designs together. In this menu, you can see all of your templates to blend. But I'm not gonna do it this way. The way I'm gonna do is by going to the design cards and just dragging one template and dropping it onto another one. It's gonna add the first design as an attachment to the second one. Make sure the prompt is still valid. Remix. I'm gonna do another one. Let's see. This one over this one. Remix. Let's wait a bit for the generation to complete. All right, it's in. I'm gonna open the first one. Very cool. This is like a DNA sequence. It's a different variation of the other laser background. Let's check the second one. Oh, there's a color animation on the button CTA. Very nice. Let me preview it in full screen. Okay, the WebGL animated background has a 3D effect. That's it for this walkthrough on creating UI components in Neuform. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more design, code, and AI workflow content.